Today, I will introduce to you a 500 kilowatts, 1.2 megawatt hours solar diesel storage system from BSL.
The entire system consists of a DC-DC cabinet, a PCS cabinet, and a battery cabinet.
It is suitable for solar storage DC coupling, solar storage AC coupling, grid-connected and off-grid applications, especially for remote mountainous areas, areas without grid power and microgrids. The biggest advantage of this system is that it supports off-grid and cabinet-connected operation, and supports the expansion of DC cabinets and AC cabinets. The capacity of the system can be expanded to a maximum of 1 megawatt and 2.4 megawatt hours. In addition, we use 3 14Ah batteries to make the overall energy density of the system higher and the cost lower. Our 241 kilowatt hours battery system supports 2 80Ah and 3 14Ah cells. The one you see now uses 14 battery packs, each of which uses 3 14Ah cells. Next, I will give you a detailed introduction. The battery cabinet is equipped with a 3 kilowatts air-cooled air conditioner. The internal structure includes battery packs and high-voltage boxes. There are 14 battery packs in the system, all of which use 3 14Ah cells. In terms of system design, we have configured an access switch. The light will automatically light up when the door is opened and go out when the door is closed. In addition, it is equipped with a smoke detector and a temperature sensor, which is linked to the fire protection system for control. When smoke and high temperature are triggered at the same time, the system will start the fire aerosol. There are also high voltage circuit breakers and auxiliary power switches in the high voltage box. The BMS of the system adopts a 2-level architecture and supports a 3-level architecture when multi-level clusters are connected. In addition, the battery pack is designed with MSD insurance, which provides a good safety protection during transportation and installation. In terms of air duct design, the bottom is narrower and the top is wider. After thermal simulation experiments, it has been verified that the temperature difference of the battery pack will not exceed 6 degrees. Next, let's introduce our 500 kilowatts photovoltaic inverter. There is a BSL logo, an operating indicator light and an emergency stop button on the front of the inverter. The emergency stop button can be used to shut down the system through dry contacts or software HMI control systems. After turning on the system, you can see the DC-DC module, which runs in MPPT mode. Each module has a power of 50 kilowatts. There are 10 modules in total, forming 10 MPPTs, which are aggregated and output to the bus. In terms of cabinet design, we have adopted an ingenious structural design, with inconsistent locks up and down to ensure that the door can bear the load and prevent it from falling. Dust-proof cotton is also designed in the cabinet to prevent dust from entering the photovoltaic inverter compartment. Finally, I would like to introduce the Pieces cabinet. The 500 kilowatts Pieces cabinet adopts a modular design, with each module of 125 kilowatts and a total of 4 parallel modules. The modular design facilitates system expansion and maintenance. The cabinet is equipped with a bypass switch, a main switch and a load switch, and is connected to the previously introduced DC-DC cabinet for the control of the photovoltaic inverter. The STS module in the cabinet has a power of 600 kV, and compared with the traditional ATS, it can switch on and off the grid faster. The Pieces cabinet also integrates the function of the combiner box, which can be connected to 10 battery clusters. The system supports a variety of power sources, including mains, diesel generators and photovoltaic systems, especially photovoltaic AC coupling. Photovoltaics can be connected to the main side or the load side, supporting photovoltaic AC and DC coupling to achieve the function of photovoltaic storage combination. Our STS module uses a power of 600 kV and consists of a conduit. Compared with the traditional ATS, the switching speed of on-grid and off-grid is faster. The Pieces cabinet also integrates the combiner box function, which can connect up to 10 battery clusters, providing a flexible battery access solution for the system. The entire system supports multiple power sources, including mains electricity, diesel generators and photovoltaic power generation, and is particularly suitable for photovoltaic AC coupling. As can be seen from the figure, our photovoltaic system can be connected to both the main side and the load side to achieve the coordinated use of multiple energy sources. At the same time, the photovoltaic system also supports AC-DC coupling and can be directly connected to the DC bus side of the Pieces or to the AC side, thereby achieving the simultaneous use of AC and DC power supplies. In addition, photovoltaic panels can also be directly connected to energy storage devices to achieve a seamless combination of photovoltaic and energy storage systems, further improving the efficiency and flexibility of the system.